Each year, New Year celebrations in China are eagerly anticipated by locals and tourists from around the world. The year 2025 is no exception, with spectacular fireworks displays lighting up the night skies over major cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou. The night sky transforms into a giant canvas painted with vibrant colors from technologically advanced fireworks. This tradition not only reflects the spirit of celebration and joy but also combines the richness of cultural heritage with modern innovation, creating an impressive and unforgettable experience. Fireworks hold profound symbolic meaning in Chinese culture. According to traditional beliefs, the sound of exploding fireworks is thought to drive away evil spirits, invite good fortune, and usher in happiness for the new year. Additionally, fireworks symbolize fresh energy and optimism, providing encouragement and enthusiasm for people as they face the year ahead. The bright colors of fireworks also carry deep significance. Each color represents a unique symbolism, such as red for luck, green for health, and gold for prosperity. This combination of colors creates a visually stunning and meaningful experience, connecting the younger and older generations in harmonious celebration. In various cities across China, the explosions of fireworks are often accompanied by traditional music, adding an emotional layer to the spectacle. The melodies take audiences on a journey filled with memories, reminding them of the importance of cherishing the past while welcoming the future with renewed vigor. Beyond traditional aspects, modern innovations have become a crucial part of these celebrations. Eco-friendly fireworks now used in many cities produce less pollution, making the festivities not only grand but also environmentally responsible. Elements like drone light shows have further enriched the visual experience, blending traditional art with futuristic technology. Through the fusion of tradition and innovation, fireworks serve not only as a form of entertainment but also as a symbol of hope and unity. Each burst seems to send a message of optimism to the world, showcasing how a rich culture can continue to evolve without losing its traditional roots.